Talking about some damn cucumbers. Damn strawberries today. Best believe it. Here's a cucumber plant right here. That's what it looks like. See that little guy coming off the main there? That's a sucker. That's what you call that. You got the main vine and any kind of thing shooting off of it's a sucker. And a lot of people just prune them suckers the hell on off there, run that main vine. Sometimes I let them get out of control. Next thing you know, got me a cucumber on a sucker, and I'll just prune it around that. 'Cause I'm wild. Yeah. These things right here, they're like a pH of 6.8 or higher. Goddamn 1 inch deep, 6 inches apart, so recommended planting depth and distance on these things. But whatever. Foolish sun, man. This is down south sun, that'll get them wilty, so that mid-afternoon, that late afternoon, you might want them shaded by then. I don't know, you want to keep them from getting too moist when you water them. You don't want to water them all over the green, the leaves and everything. They'll get all mildew and wild. Everything like that. You can't have that. There's some flowers. And, it's a spring crop, fucking. That's why that full heat, it can be pretty tough on everything. I mean, you can plant them sort of into the summer depending on where you're at, but you gotta be careful, man. That heat, it punishes them sometimes, But, here's a pollinated cucumber flower with the cucumber sprouting up on it. It's kind of reminiscent of the tomato in that it's got the little suckers that you want to prune off. I don't know if the suckers on these are as easy to propagate with a little propagating powder, but you can do that with tomatoes. Anyway, this here's god dang strawberry. Okay, they're kind of like a cucumber in that they got runners. See, they got this main thing here with the little shoots out of it, out of the central spot, and then same way they sort of shoot out them strawberry flowers there, and they shoot out a runner. It'll be just another little set of leaves and everything, but that thing will end up springing up roots up under it, and before you know it, you got a whole new strawberry plant. Sometimes you gotta actually prune them apart or whatever to make sure the little one ain't draining off the big one. Same thing, just like with the suckers and cucumbers and the tomatoes. Okay, these things they'll take some full sun. They ain't scared of that. No. See, there different varieties. You got your ever-bearing, day neutral, and June bearing, and they all bear different times, different bits, different amounts, everything. I suggest just how that goes. Alright, goddamn. First year of these things, you want to pick the blossoms off of them and let them root a little bit better. That way you can get a bigger bounty the next year. You know what I'm saying, on them strawberries, because you want a lot of strawberries. Sometimes I have trouble, when they get good and sweet, bugs get to them. Sometimes I gotta eat them while they're still tart, That's why you want more and more and more strawberries. That way them bugs don't get them. And everything is true. Strawberries, cucumbers, God dang.